Mustari abay. So karon we're gonna do a video of what happened to me. I have the A7V and it's one of my favorite cameras at the moment, aside from my A1. Although my A1 is just my always favorite camera, and so is this FX3. Ganahan ko sa anyway, I'm these days I've been loving the A7V. I've been using it a lot. Kay kanang ganahan ako with my A1 I do silent shutter. I also do silent shutter here, but this one here is like this is. I use kanang mechanical shutter because nagbuang akong camera. Okay ra ka camera. Sa kanang yeah, I use mechanical shutter for this one and it's good. Di na ko ganahan gamiton akong mechanical shutter sa akong A1 kay mahurot niya ang shutter life or whatever. So I'm using electronic ato niya kasi I can use flash and still use electronic. That's how good the A1 is, and it can shoot 8K. So I really love my A1. But for this one, ganina nag-shoot ko wedding, and I have used this for 3 events, not weddings. First event, gigamit nila ako as photo. It's very good. I did photo walk. It's good. I do vlogging always on this 4K 25. It's very good. No problems. I shot another wedding before ko nag-shoot the wedding. Ako na siya gitry under the heat of the sun, 28 degrees and 30 degrees. 28 degrees nagamit din ako siya for an hour and a half or an hour 50 minutes, but napulaan na lang ko, ako na lang i-stop. So this camera is really good, but I shot a wedding with this one also. Wala gyud problema niya. It went so well. But today I was shooting a wedding and suddenly this happened. So what happened was i-on ako, mag-shoot ko, and then akong i-off kadali, and akong i-on balik, i-on ako balik, di na siya mo-on. I have to remove the battery. So ako na siya gigamit as gimbal. I have to remove it off the gimbal to reset it. And samo kay siya, I have to remove it from the gimbal, turn it on, and murag bug siya kay di siya magsigig. Magsigig siya off nga di na mo-on. So one of my friends, he's been using this, and he says nga tungod tingay sa CF Express A. So I'm using CF Express A on most of my cameras. I'm using one here and one SD card. Last time na ako nag-shoot ani, I was using SD cards do kabuok. I didn't have any problems. Everything was so good. CF Express A is very good. It's very fast. But I used it in today's wedding. Nagka-problema ako. So I don't have Sony CF Express A cards because I sold mine. They're pretty expensive and gamay ra siya capacity. So I sold mine. I bought them cheap and I sold them at a higher price. Nakakwarta pa ko. Anyway, nagtinihi ko. I got the expensive 1 terabyte from Angel Bird. So I haven't used it on this because akong ginagamit sa akong main camera sa akong A1 ug sa akong FX3, which is filming us now. I've used the cheap one for this. Kani siya. Talong mo tong focusing. Muni siya. Per Gear. I am not sponsored or any way from the Per Gear, but barato lang gid siya, and this is like a 512 gig, and it's fast. It's really fast. It's good. So gigamit na ko siya ganina, and that could be the culprit because the thing is napuno akong usa ka slot, which is an SD card, and then CF Express A na lang nag-video. When I turn on the camera, it doesn't turn on. Mura siya muhang, wala blanco. You have to remove the battery. Shoot again, and then it happens. The thing is, I'm trying to replicate it now, and I've been trying to do it, and it's not happening again. So naglibog ko, is it because the battery was full, nag-check battery, so that's not a battery issue. And the thing is also, atong i-focus bata, clicks ako. So also kanang kuan, dili sad siya kanang ambot, wala gyud ko kasabot nganon hitabo to, and I'm trying to replicate it now basig sa init, dimsad sa init. I'm shooting in 4K 50, so usually 4K 50 or 4K 60. Mugamit ka atong angle priority mode, which kanang mo turn off ang noise reduction. Mo work hard ang camera to do it. So the previous wedding, I didn't have any problems with it. No problem, whatever. I was using 2 SD cards. This wedding, nagamit ko CF Express A, nagka-problema. I thought it was okay. Okay, I've been using it for 4K 25, but when I'm using it for 4K 50 or for other people, you can use it from 4K 60. Nagka-problema ko, and it's crazy because I do it for a living. I shoot weddings, I shoot events, And if nako sa field and this is my only camera, it's not gonna work for me. It's gonna be annoying. Although I really love this camera, I'll need to figure it out. It's either tingali Sony needs to like do a firmware update, because I've heard from my friend who has one of these nga now there's bugs, and I haven't seen any update from Sony regarding this. Even Lightroom di pa siya fully supported. Lossless RAW yang pwede. So there's a lot of things. Although I really love my Sony, I'll see how it goes. I'm gonna try to replicate it and see what's wrong, and it's most likely the SD card. Battery, I don't, because I'm using original batteries. I've used the small rig batteries, but I would understand. Di man sa small rig ang gamit kanina. I used the original Sony ones. So yeah, we'll try to replicate it. I'm gonna try to show you. It's not gonna, I don't know. Let's see. So pakawawan sa kuning hinampak. Patay lang, set itong camera balik. So there you go. Turn it on, film it, 4K 50, 100 frames, and I'm doing what I was doing earlier. That's how it is. Filming, and battery now is like 88%. Magsige ko kasayo pa ni because I don't script my vlogs. Though, okay, one more thing. Dili ko sponsored din nila. I paid it with my own money. I'm just doing this for fun, for myself. So, yeah, if ma-sponsor ko, mas okay. Pero wala ko ma-sponsor nila. Anyway, yeah, here it goes. It's filming. Turn it off. And turn it back on. Blink siya, but it's fine. So I wonder if it was the heat. So as I was trying to replicate it, it happened to this camera. Ay, bisaya bay man din ako vlog. So gitry na ako replicate, mahitabo tong hitabo kanina. So what I did was like I check everything. Karon gitry na ako SD card. I put an SD card here at the moment. And then akong gi-turn on, napalong na siya. Akong gi-turn on ang airplane mode. Turn off ang airplane mode. Turn on, turn off. Turn off. As you can see, I don't script myself. I just learn as I go. So muna tayo sayop. So I just turned off airplane mode, which means na siya mga Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and whatever. So it's here, and we have around 84 battery, 84%. Press record, stop record, turn it off, turn it back on, and it's dead. Nothing compares to you. What you have to do is just to remove the batteries, put it back on, and it turns back on. Record, stop, turn it off, turn it back on. It's dead. It's dead. Fuck. So ako ni siyang i-try reset ang camera. Di ko ganahan mag-reset niya, pero kailangan ko reset. Kalagot. But I'll keep you posted. I'll update you. And also, ako sa pukutanon akong Migo. Kaya nasa ko Migo na yung nani, and he knows. And yeah, it's just annoying, but we'll see how we go. So, yeah.